In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find 18 plus content on Discord. This walkthrough is intended for adults only. Please make sure you are 18 or older, follow Discord's community guidelines and your local laws, and use these features responsibly. If you're not 18, stop here. Even if you are, be thoughtful about what you access and never share personal or sensitive information with strangers. Let's start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app, the browser version, or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and, if possible, update to the latest version so the menus match what you see here. Using a personal device is a good idea since content preferences are best managed on your own account. Next, head into your user settings. On desktop, look for the small gear icon near your username at the bottom left of the screen. On mobile, tap your profile picture and then the gear icon to open settings. This is where you manage privacy, safety, and content controls that affect what you can see and do across Discord. Now, find the section called Content and Social. On desktop, it's in the left sidebar under App Settings. On mobile, scroll through the settings list until you see Content and Social. This page groups controls that influence how Discord handles media, channels, and interaction features, including age-restricted options. Here's the key setting you're looking for. Allow access to age-restricted commands from apps in direct messages. Turn this on. What this does is allow apps and bots to run commands in your DMs that they've labeled as 18+. If this is off, those commands are blocked in direct messages, even if the app is legitimate and you're an adult. Enabling it does not automatically add you to adult servers or show explicit content by itself. It simply permits age-restricted features from apps you choose to interact with. A few important tips. If you don't see this toggle, make sure your app is up to date and that you're not on a managed device or network that restricts these settings. You can switch this off at any time if you change your mind. Only use trusted apps and bots, review permissions before authorizing them, and avoid clicking unknown links. Access to adult channels also depends on individual servers marking channels as age-restricted and may require you to confirm your age within that server. When in doubt, read the server rules and safety notices, and that's it. Open Discord, go to user settings, select content and social, and enable access to age-restricted commands in DMs. Stay safe and use these tools responsibly.